Okay, in this video I want to explain about WordPress, which is probably one of the most popular publishing platforms out there today. So with WordPress you can create a website, okay, and as I explained before in the beginner section, a website is just a generic term that they use, and a website could be a blog, it could be an e-commerce site, it could be a portfolio site, it could be a corporate site, whatever. But WordPress got its start as a blog platform, a blogging platform, and today it's pretty much still a blogging platform for most people. Most people would go to WordPress when they think about creating a blog, but today with WordPress, with all its plugins and themes and third-party stuff that you can get, you can create any kind of site with WordPress. So today WordPress for me is basically a content management system, a platform to create whatever you want, any kind of website you want, whether it's a blog, an e-commerce, complete e-commerce store, a landing page, a mini site, anything you want you can create. But all those things come at an additional cost, and all those things come with additional plugins and themes. By itself, at WordPress.com, it's just a blogging platform. So you can go to WordPress.com to create a free blog with WordPress. And if you don't do anything else throughout this course for affiliate marketing and building a website, I suggest that you at least do this. Go to WordPress.com, create your free blog, choose a topic that you want to blog about, and get into the habit of writing blog posts, writing content, and understanding how the WordPress platform works. The only drawback with WordPress.com is that when you create a blog at WordPress.com, you are not allowed to do affiliate marketing or put any kind of monetization or ads on your free blog. This is because WordPress will put their own ads on your blog, and that is the cost of creating a free blog with WordPress. But WordPress is an open source software, so the WordPress.com is a complete hosted solution, as you can see here, but it's a separate site at WordPress.org or WordPress.org, and this is where you can download the core WordPress application for free since it's open source, and then upload it to your own web hosting and use your own domain name to set up your own WordPress platform. Now, with WordPress installed in your own domain, there are no rules other than some rules by a web hosting, but basically you're free to use WordPress however you want. And since it's open source, you can completely hack any file, any page in WordPress itself to customize it to get exactly what you want. Of course, this requires a higher technical skill level, and hopefully throughout this course I'll teach you the basics, but in this course I do not go into great lengths about how to use WordPress.org. okay, it is just beyond the scope of this course, but I do have other courses that teach you how to use the WordPress platform in detail, in very detail. So do get in touch with me if you want to take a look at those courses as well. You can also find lots of tutorials online about how to use WordPress. In fact, WordPress itself publishes a lot of tutorials. You can go to wordpress.tv and you can see all the available videos and tutorials from WordPress. And when you click on how to, you can get a really in-depth information. Okay, you have everything, all the videos here are provided by WordPress on how to use the WordPress software. Okay, so help is available today. It's not as complicated. WordPress is not as complicated as it used to be when I first got started using it in 2006. It's so much easier now. And if you decide to try WordPress, rest assured it won't be as intimidating or complicated as you think. But when you get stuck, there are videos here that show you how to do it. Now let's go back to WordPress.com. So as I said, you can create a free blog at WordPress.com without having to worry about hosting, domain name, and etc. But you're limited to just creating a blog for your personal use. If you plan to monetize it, you can't do it at WordPress.com. But if you in the future decide to scale up from your free blog and you want to monetize your site, you can just upgrade your WordPress.com website. The pricing is not displayed in here, but let me log into my account now and show you how to upgrade. So let me go back to my sites. So my free WordPress blog is at gobala.wordpress.com. Okay, and you start off as free, then you see the plan here, so you can click on plan, and here you have additional upgrade options. So from free you can upgrade to premium, and you can use your own domain name, customization options, and lots of space for audio and video. Okay, or you can upgrade to business. Now with business, okay, you have lots of freedom. You can put your own ads, you can do anything you want. You can also click on compare plans to view all the details here. So wordpress.com, the free blog, okay, you get 3 gig of space. With the premium you get 13, and unlimited for the business edition of WordPress. And with the business version also, you can put your own premium themes. Okay, you can have a premium themes that's supported by WordPress, and you have access to support via live chat, and that is $299 per year. It is pretty steep, but it's not ridiculous considering that it is a very stable platform, and you don't have to worry about upgrading your WordPress site, because that, in my opinion, is the real pain in WordPress, constantly having to upgrade themes, plugins, and the WordPress site itself. So you can see here no ads, right? So for the WordPress.com free, you don't have any ads. You're not allowed to put any ads. But for WordPress.com premium, you can have ads and you can have affiliate links. So that costs $99 per year. So in my opinion, that is very reasonable. Okay, so you can go to WordPress.com, create a site, and upgrade immediately if you want to start with affiliate marketing immediately with WordPress.com. Or you can just get used to it, try out how it works, and understand more on the WordPress platform. Just create your content first, get some traffic, and then when you're ready to do affiliate marketing, you can upgrade to premium or business. Now, even if you upgrade to premium or business, okay, the plugins and the themes that you can use are still limited to what is supported by WordPress in the WordPress.com default. Okay, so you can go to themes in WordPress.com, and these are the themes that you can use. You can click on plugins, and these are the plugins that you can use. Okay, and that is very different from the self-hosted version of WordPress.org. With the self-hosted version of WordPress.org, you can find plugins and themes, way more plugins and themes from the WordPress.org site by clicking on themes or plugins. And there are also a lot of other premium themes and plugins that are not even in this directory here that you can also use with your self-hosted version of WordPress. So before I end this video, my advice is to go to WordPress.com, create a free account, start doing something. And if you decide to go in the path of the least hassle, you don't want to deal with domain names, etc., you can of course in future also upgrade your WordPress.com site and start putting ads and start earning money from your website.